solve the inequality 15 minus x over 6 is less than 7x plus 4 over 3 minus 5. So the first step we can take is to combine the right hand side fractions into 1. So 7x plus 4 minus 5 times 3, that will be 15. Everything divided by 3. Okay, and then we simplify the right side numerator a little bit. So 7x minus 11 over 3. And then we do a cross multiplication. So 3 times 15 minus x is less than 6 times 7x minus 11. 45 minus 3x is less than 42x minus 66. And then here comes the technique of linear inequalities. We try and bring the x to the parts or to the side that will make it positive. And we treat inequality like an equal sign. Alright, so the best side to bring x to is not the left side, because if you do that, you get negative 3x minus 42x. We will be dealing with a negative x term. Instead of that, we bring the x to the right side. Okay, so this guy right here, let me use the red color. Negative 3x goes over, negative 66 goes to the left. 45 plus 66 is less than 42x plus 3x. 45 plus 66, what is that? Let's see. 111 is less than 45x. Okay, notice the mouth of your inequality, it still points towards 45x. Rewrite it, mouth pointing towards 45x, 111. So x is more than 111 over 45. X is more than 2 wholes. 21 over 45. X is more than 2 wholes. Simplify the fraction. You can divide by 3 on both sides. So you get 7 over 15. Final answer for this question.